Hello everyone. So what we have here is the Kingma battery for the Canon 200D EOS or SL2. So I bought this one since same yung kanyang voltage with the original Canon battery. So it contains two battery already and a charger, and Type-C yung kanyang cable for charging. So ito yung box niya, you have the price there. Ayan, kita nyo siya. And then, yeah. So, binuksan ko lang siya kanina. So, when you open the box, no, you will have here the battery and yung kanyang charging. No. So, ito siya. So, basically, yung battery nasa loob lang na itong plastic, no? So, niremove na natin siya kanina. And, may casing din yung battery niya. So, you also have the Type-C cable here to USB-A. And Type-C to USB-A. But you can also use Type-C to Type-C depending on your power adapter, no? So, natanggal ko na siya kanina. So, basically, ito siya. Then, you have here a cover. And then, you have some paper works here. And then, of course, yung 2 battery here. Ayan siya. So, you can charge this one using also a fast charging power brick, no? And may indicator siya while it is charging. So, pag binuksan natin yung battery, ayan, you'll have the specification here. Ayan. So, for Canon LP-E17, so for all the camera using LP-E17, I think this is compatible with those. And then you have 7.2 volts, which is 1040 milliamperes, no? Or 7.5 WH, which is same siya dito sa original, no? And 7.2 voltage din siya. So basically, there are also other brands with this model, pero I picked this one kasi same talaga yung voltage niya. And I already tried using this one, and it lasts for a day for a typical photo lang, no? Taking of photos only. Of course, if you're going to take video, saglit lang to. So you need yung battery na may external cable, so you can plug it in sa mga power bank, etc. So let's try to charge it para makita nyo. So, open lang natin ulit both. Ayan. So to charge it, you just need to place it in this way. Ayan. And then this one. So I didn't use this battery, no, to charge dun sa original charger, and then vice versa, to avoid, of course, maybe compatibility issue, although same lang naman sila, to preserve lang yung item, no. So let's look for a power source ng cable. So let's try this one. Then turn on natin yung source. So walang power, on natin siya. So as you can see, nagka-charge na siya. Then ito yung indicator pag full na. So this one is 1 bar na lang. So kung nakita nyo, nagka-charge siya bar. Then this one, 3 bars full na. So isa na lang. So basically, isang bar, maybe it represents 25% since apat lang siya. Ayan. So nag-charge siya both. And yan. So if you're looking for an alternative battery for your Canon 200D EOS, so maybe this item could help you. So nandito siya sa Lazada. I also look at it. So ito siya. Ayan. You can check on the store, Henry's Camera. So I think credible naman yung store na to. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you in case you're going to buy this item also for your camera. And see you again next, guys.